I'm Mark Westlake. I teach science at St. Thomas Academy in Mendota Heights, Minnesota. For 28 years I was the physics professor there, and now I'm taking on the role of director of our Innovation Center, which will open hopefully in the fall of this year. The Fab Lab Retreat has given me an opportunity to learn some of the systems that I'll need to use in our new Innovation Center. And probably more important than that is to learn how to develop some curriculum that we can use with our underclassmen. I think one of the things that I'm most excited about being here at the Fab Lab Retreat is that I've been encouraged to keep things simple. I think when I originally signed up, in my mind the curriculum was much more complicated than what we've been taught to do. And so I think that's a little bit of a relief for me, in that we can go back to school and do things in not as complicated of a way as I originally thought.
I believe that they are instrumental in getting kids ready for real life technology experiences, and also just expanding their view of the world and seeing what they're capable of with their own two hands, and a couple of pats on the back from a teacher and adult. It's a pretty good opportunity for some of our kids. We're a very rural district, so getting them into the real world, getting them a little bit out of their comfort zone sometimes, and teaching them something new is a really exciting thing for us. One of the biggest assets of this workshop for me has been all the different curriculum tools. So I am really going to try and implement more math and science standards into my teaching. I do a lot of it already, but when you bring engineering into it, it makes it a workable, functioning project. Not that, art isn't already like that already, but what I'm going to be doing differently is incorporating a lot of what I've learned here about LEDs, simple circuits, all the different Arduino and microcomputers. I think that would really add an upper echelon of awesome to the kids' art projects at White Lake School.
My favorite part of this week thus far has definitely been the networking and sharing ideas and getting ideas from other individuals who are further along than us, or sharing ideas with people that are not quite as far as we are with developing a Fab Lab.
Digital fabrication is something that is wonderful for students to experience at any age. The idea that you can take your abstract thoughts and ideas and make a real-world physical object out of them is very empowering. But at the same time, while we are preparing kids for a future career in, say, engineering, it's also true that a lot of our students won't go into an engineering-focused or a STEM-focused career, but they will generally use some sort of a design process, a design-focused way of learning. The idea that you would work on something, you'd persevere, you'd iterate, you'd improve your idea, and you'd communicate it with others. And it's something that all of our students get out of the process, and it's really a wonderful thing to see that happen.